Hey everyone, jumping right into this video, these are the Flexi Rods I will be using today to curl my hair. I'm starting off with stretched hair already, so I don't have to do anything more like straightening it, and I'm going to just detangle it before I put any product into my hair. I'm only using one hair product in this video, and it's this cream. I'm going to be parting my hair into 4 sections as well, and then with the sections, that's how I'm going to be applying the Flexi Rods. I didn't have a specific kind of a way that I wanted to like have my hair parting wise, so I just did it 4 sections and went from there. And then I'm going to be taking smaller sections out of each of the 4 sections. I'm literally using a little bit of the cream for my hair because my hair is stretched and I want it to be a dry Flexi Rod tutorial. So what I'm doing is just putting a little bit of product, not too much. Like I don't want it to get like too wet and then it starts to get even puffier or shrink up. So I'm literally using a little bit of the stuff, and then I'm just gonna take my water bottle and just spritz a little bit of water onto my hand and then just smooth it out the ends because my ends are the more stubborn parts of my hair. I don't have a specific way how I do this. I literally just take my hair and wrap it around the Flexi Rod, and then to secure it, I just bend the ends together and wrap them around as well. And I'm pretty much gonna just continue doing the same method until all the Flexi Rods are in my hair. This is what my hair looks like so far. I did 3 sections and I have 1 section left. I know my parts look a little crazy, but that's because I was finger parting. So it's literally been 2 days later. I was supposed to take my hair out the day after I did this, but I wound up not going anywhere. So I actually left the rods in a little longer than what I had originally planned. So now I'm going to take it out. The easiest way I can explain this is you basically want to unravel your hair the way that you rolled it up. And when you're doing this, you want to try to do it as careful as possible just to not cause too much frizz. Oh my god, so all of my curls aren't the same. Like, I don't know, like I think like some of them, like they're different curl patterns. So all of my curl patterns, they're not the same because like some are curlier than other. Like this one's like a little more wavier, it's like a bigger kind of a curl, and this is more like a, so I already know that it's not going to be the exact way I had in mind, but as usual, like I always make it work. So I'm gonna, you know, see how it looks after I'm done taking out all of the Flexi Rods. So all of my rods are out of my hair. This is basically what my hair is looking like. It's very bouncy. I'm gonna be using this Moroccan oil, penetrating oil. I don't have any more coconut oil, and I didn't want to put anything heavy in my hair to weigh my hair down. The only oil I have is black castor oil, so I don't want to use that. So I'm just going to use some of this. So what I'm going to do is just going to open it, and I'm just going to put some in the palm of my hand. I probably should be doing this like this actually on my fingers and just, you know, like that, and going one by one. But I'm just going to kind of go like this and just like lightly pat it on the hair. Like I don't want to separate the curls yet or mess them up, so I'm just gonna kind of do that for now. I just really love how bouncy my hair is, and I'm just gonna start from the back, and I'm just gonna kind of just like take the curl and just take it out and just like do this so it's still like has its curl. Let me zoom in for you guys so you can get a better look. So I'm basically just taking, like, separating it. So I'm just gonna take it like this, and then I'm just kind of twirling it around like that, and then letting it go so it kind of bounces back up together, if that makes sense. And I'm just gonna continue doing that around like my whole head, just to separate it. And yeah, just, you know, like that basically. My curl patterns are definitely not the same. This side is more like a wavy kind of a curl, and then this is more like of a spiral kind of a curl. I mean, you can definitely see the difference and tell the difference, but I don't know what I did or how I even did it that way. But you're gonna take my big like comb and just kind of rake the top of my hair just to make it a little more fuller. So I'm just gonna do that. Even like shake it out some too. I love big hair, so that's why I'm going to just try to make it as big as possible. And this side is actually a little more tighter and puffier than this side. I don't know exactly how I was twisting it to make it come out like this, but I really love the outlook of my hair. I love how it came out, and yeah. I'm just gonna turn around so you guys can see how the back looks, because I don't even know how the back of my hair looks. So this is what the back of my hair is looking like. I didn't really pick out the curls too much, but it's still nice and bouncy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're not already, and stay tuned for my next video.